Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate a layer in Picsart. Duplicating layers in Picsart allows you to create multiple versions of an image, enabling various effects like shadows, reflections, or blending. First of all, launch Open Picsart application on your device and tap on the plus button at the bottom center and then click on Edit an image or video. Now you can go ahead and give access to more photos on your device and select the image you want to edit from your gallery. After selecting the image, click on Done at the top right, and then once you see the image in your editing screen, go ahead and select Tools option from the bottom left. Here you will see Clone option. Tap on it and then it will preview how you can clone the image on the next page. Now go ahead and select the area you want to clone on the image, and once it turns pink, you can then go ahead and select another area and you will see that the image has now been cloned in the same frame. Drag the brush in the area where you want to clone the image or duplicate the image, and once you do that, you have successfully cloned your image on Picsart. If you make a mistake, you can erase by tapping the eraser button at the bottom and swipe along the area that you want to remove. Now you can repeat the process. Tap the selector tool at the bottom. You can also adjust its size. Place it on the area that you want to clone, and once it turns pink, go to the area where you want to duplicate the layer and swipe along. And after you do that, you have successfully created a duplicate layer of your image. Duplicating layers in Picsart can enhance your creativity by allowing you to manipulate and combine elements within your images. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.